Sri Jeko Satluto. No. Sri Goiku County. Now, I now request Honorable Chief Minister Manipur.
MLAs, respected Chief Secretary Manipur, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, respected DG. And pay for that involved in arranging this home करना उसके साथ में तोड़ न देना पूरा न करना है last but not least and the state government I on behalf of Home Department and Police Department under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Society through few
Presidente Martin Pangbiu Manipur Sarkar के मायके